MIDI welcomes you to the digital platform of the MIDI Udyog Vishwa. Today we are going to show the information of dehydrated apple slice making business. Apple is one of the most popular fruits in the world. It is a fruit rich in nutrients, widely grown in temperate regions with various textures, colors, shapes and sizes. India and China are the largest producer of apples. This fruit is rich in fiber, vitamins, antioxidants and other nutrients. Their peels also differ in view of the low calorie count. Studies show that apples can have many benefits of your health. Apples are consumed as raw materials as well as processed fruit. Apple can be processed into many products such as fruit leather, candy, juice, fruit bars, dehydrated slices, etc. Plant and machineries. For this business, we will require fruit washer, apple peeling and slicing machine, tray dryer and packaging machine. Raw materials. For this business, we will require fresh apples. Process. High quality fresh apples are obtained after harvesting so that the color, aroma and taste of the final product remains nice and fresh. Fully ripe apples are preferred and picked for dehydration process. Selected apples are then washed to remove dust, dirt, insect, mold spores, plant parts that can affect the taste and color of the final product. The spot is cut and the core is removed and the slices are made in a circular or in a ring form. Apples are cut into 1/3 to 1/2 inch slices. Cutting can be done manually or mechanically. This slice is dried as apple chips. Pre-treatment is done. This prevents the fruits from turning black. Many light-colored fruits such as apples darken rapidly when cut and exposed to air. Adding ascorbic acid to water is a safe way to prevent fruit from turning brown. Ascorbic acid is available in powdered form or in a tablet form. Sliced apples can be dried or dehydrated in the sun, or in a oven, or in dehydrator, or in a tray dryer. Using the right combination of warm temperatures, low humidity and airflow. Warm drying temperatures allow moisture to evaporate. Low humidity allows moisture to move quickly from the food to the air. The air stream speeds drying by blowing the surrounding air away from the sliced apples. Sun drying. Sun-dried fruits are placed on a wooden tray. The screen should be protected from contact with the fruit. The best screens are stainless steels, Teflon coated, fiberglass or plastic. Tray drying. The initial temperature of tray dryer is set to 62.5 degrees centigrade where there is surface moisture on apple slices. After 1 hour, the temperature is reduced from 57 to 60 degrees centigrade to dry the slices. The apple slices are allowed to dry in a tray dryer for 6 to 12 hours depending on the required moisture level in the final product. It is usually 20% for dehydrated apples. Heat treatment. The slices are placed on a tray in a single layer and placed in an oven heated to 70 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. Thereafter, the dehydrated apple slices are conditioned and ready to be stored. Conditioning. Because not all slices will dry equally, conditioning the apple slices will be necessary. For conditioning, pack the apple slices in an airtight plastic container for several days to evenly distribute the remaining moisture. Packaging. Fully dehydrated slices can be sealed in plastic bags, glass bottles, tin jars, pouches, etc. Until now, we have taken information about dehydrated apple slices making business. If you are willing to start this business, any help regarding this business required or need some model project report, you can directly visit on both websites shown on the screen, or you can directly contact on the given numbers. For more such business ideas, subscribe to our YouTube channel MIDI Udyog Vishwa and also click on the bell icon. Also like, comment and share our video.